Hi guys, welcome to Shaheen Math Club. Today we have an algebraic problem, very simple and tricky. We have two methods to solve it. That we have given x square plus y square is equal to 45 and xy is equal to 18. We have to find x plus y. As we know that all x plus y square is equal to x square plus 2 into x into y plus y square. This is like, as you know, a plus b square whole square is equal to a square plus 2 into a b and plus b square. As we know that x plus y value are given, so we have to write together x square plus y square, and we can write that x square plus y square plus 2xy. Here we know that x square plus y square value are given, so we will put the values of these into here. X plus y square 45 plus 2 into, as we know, xy also given, that will be the x and that will be 18. So 45 plus 18 to the 36 and it will be 81. So we have to find x plus y, not x plus y whole square. So we will take the under root on both sides, then we will get the value of x plus y, that is 9. We have another short method how we can find out that to solve this problem. Let's see how we can do that. As we know that in the question we have given xy value. In question we have xy value. We can factorize this value. We can 6 multiplied by 3 is equal to 18. Another option we can do that is 9 multiplied by 2 is equal to 18. It means here we can see that x square plus y square is equal to 45. Both square is equal to 45. If we will take the square of 9 and 2, that will be greater than 45. So it means this is rejected and we will take this factor. If we will take the square of 6 and let's suppose x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 3, or y is equal to 6 or x is equal to 3, doesn't matter. Let's suppose if we will take this x square plus y square is equal to 45. Let's x is 36 square plus y is 3 square, that will be equal to 45. So here we can see that x, and that will be the 36 plus 9 is equal to 45. So we can see that x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 3. So we have to ask in the question x plus y is equal to value. X is equal to 6 plus y is equal to 3, that is equal to 9. This is the very short method that by which we can do that. So both I have given the solution. In both methods the solution is 9, and you can adopt any of the method. Thank you very much.